Aladdin Stevens is op 31 jaar ouderdom. Dat is je laatste kans voor die titel. Je moet nou alles baat om die titel te winnen vanavond. Zelf wat je gaat doen vanavond.
Ik is bereid om mijn krediet te wijzen. Dat ik ver is van klaar. En ik zal het in de krijt bewijzen. Ver dat ik veel te zien.
Abram Gumede, the South African lightweight champion. Tonight you're defending your title for the first time against Aladdin Stevens. It was a great fight, the last fight. What are you going to do tonight, Abram?
I'm going to beat the daylights out of Stevens tonight.
You reckon you're going to take him out inside the distance?
I'm going to prove to him that I'm the real champion.
That's what we like to hear, Abram. Tell us, what round do you predict?
I'm predicting no round, but the fight won't take 12 rounds.
Thanks, Abram, and good luck. May you win.
You're welcome, Ron.
Okay.
Nou ja, ons sê vir die goeienaand hier vanaf die Nasrek sentrum. Die eerste keer wat ons hier in die binnenshuise stadion is. Hy's vol gepak, hier's nie plek vir 'n muis op die oomblik nie. En dit is die geveg waarna ons gaan kyk. En die twee boksers het geleentheid gehad om te sê wat hulle dink gaan gebeur. Mens wil nie voorspellings waag nie, maar ek dink ons kan verwag dat Aladdin Stevens vanaand hier met 'n groot aanslag gaan kom. Dit is die Old Buck gordel daar van Abram Gumede wat uitgedra word. Die twee boksers het ingeweeg teen presies dieselfde gewig. Dit is 61,2 kg. Die gewigsgrens in die liggewig afdeling waarin hierdie geveg beslis word is 61,24. So hulle het dit met groot gemak eintlik gemaak. Aladdin Stevens afgerig deur Andri Steyn word voorgestel.
Yes, Dion, this is the grudge fight here tonight. It's the old man against the young man, a 21-year-old against the man who's 31. So it's 10 years difference between the two fighters. And there's a bit of needle because Stevens has got everything to gain in this fight. It's his last chance to get back into the title race.
Dis die kampioen, Abram Gumede. Verlede jaar in Oktober by die titel met punte gewen.
Gumede has only had 14 fights and Stevens has had 50 fights. Here we go into the first round of the South African lightweight title fight.
Skeiedsregter meneer Stan Christodoulou. Geen bekendstelling nodig nie, volgepakte binnenshuis arena hier by die skouterrein van Nasrek.
The harder puncher is Abram Gumede. He's scored 9 knockouts in his 14 victories. And Aladdin Stevens has had pretty few knockouts. He's only had 9 inside the distance wins in 50 fights in a long, long professional career.
Aladdin Stevens het vanaand hier besef dat hy met 'n baie goeie oorwinning vir 'n dag moet kom om voort te gaan met sy boksloopbaan. Andri Steyn het dit ook duidelik gestel aan hom.
Young Abram Gumede has learned a lot in the last year. He's not as wild as he used to be. He comes tearing in. He's a bit more confident and he's quiet in his opening rounds.
Sy geveg oor 12 rondes. Die vorige keer kon Gumede nie daarin slaag om vir Stevens uit te slaan nie.
In the previous fight, Stevens left it too late. He only started about the 3rd or 4th round and very slow start. And I believe he's going to start a little bit faster, scoring points right from the beginning because people forget about those early rounds. Those are the rounds that count at the end when you add up the points for the 12 rounds.
Aladdin Stevens in die hot claw posisie. Daar die reguit regters van hom wat so hier en daar deurdring.
He's using that right-hand jab of his to good effect. He's scoring them more points in the first round. Most of the scoring blows are coming from Aladdin Stevens. These are the blows that add up and score points.
Stevens wat so hier en daar probeer met die kort linkertjie ook, maar nie veel sukses behaal nie. Daar was 'n goeie een na die lyf toe hy deurgedring.
Definitely all the scorings come from Stevens in this round. Gumede can't find his range.
En daar's 'n goeie linker teen die lyf vas. Links regs en Gumede het 'n bietjie moeilikheid. Is weer na die lyf toe. Larry Stevens wat hom hier bo ons in die hoek het. Weer na die lyf toe. Hy hou nie daarvan nie.
Blood pouring from
Geweldige
the mouth.
aanslag van Stevens. Gumede is in die moeilikheid. Het Stevens die krag. Die skeieregter meneer Chris de Doele wat saam met mooi kyk. Dis die einde van die ronde.
And what a tremendous first round. Blood all over the show. Blood pouring all over the commentators.
It's easier to live better with Ella Reens because you get a better living guarantee with every purchase.
Ella Reens.
Boy, he's killed it right down the middle of the fairway.
Top Sports brought you the US Masters, the US Open, and the British Open. The fourth major golfing championship will soon be on your screen, the US PGA Championship. Top Sport will bring you all 4 rounds of international golfing drama in the evenings from Thursday the 9th to Sunday the 12th of August. Don't miss it.
In this first round of the South African lightweight title fight, against all expectations, the man who's known as the lighter puncher came in throwing bombs, and he had Gumede in real trouble in the corner here. Blood pouring from Gumede's nose.
Tussen die tweede ronde wat hier begin het. Maar Abraham Gumede wat daar gered is deur die klok. En wat die mens verder sal moet kyk is of Larry Stevens homself nie dalk uitgebrand het met daardie sassie wat hy vir Gumede probeer planke toe stuur het nie. Hy kon nie daarin slaag nie. Hoort nou baie interessant te wees vorentoe.
I don't know if Stevens has got the firepower. Gumede's is a tremendously strong boy. He'll be there at the end. He'll stick all the way. He won't go down very easily. He can take a good shot.
Nou, daar was 'n paar linkers gewees van Stevens wat weer die kol getref het. Het was definitief 'n lyfhou wat hom geskit het, 'n linker vir Gumede in die vorige ronde. En nou sal ons moet kyk hoe hy hierdie verder gaan hanteer en of Stevens weer met hulle vorendag kan kom. Maar nou is dit Gumede wat baie beter met daardie reguit linkers begin boks.
At this stage, Gumede doesn't seem to have the answer to that southpaw left of Stevens. Stevens is scoring straight lefts to the face, to the jaw, and right on the button.
Stevens wat nog steeds gebruik maak van die lyfhoue. Links rechts tref hy en dan was daar linker na die kop toe.
Stevens is using the right tactics. He's not allowing Gumede to get going. He's in and out, scoring with those lefts, and coming in with the right hand. The southpaw left, straight on the button. But don't underestimate Gumede. He's a tough boy.
Dis 'n goeie linkerhakker wat getref het nadat Stevens self 'n goeie hou ontwyk het.
And Larry Stevens, he's got to be careful he doesn't burn himself out in his early rounds. Taking a lot of energy with all the punches he's throwing. Tremendous atmosphere tonight in this Nasdaq Center. A great atmosphere. It's a little bowl. A great arena for boxing.
Hy is seker nie meer as 2000 mense hier nie, maar hy's vol gepak en dit is wat die atmosfeer so lekker en aangenaam maak hier. Die mense wat hulle inleef as Gumede terugkom met 'n aanval, was 2 goeie reguit linkers gewees.
easier to live better with Ella Reens because you get a better living guarantee with every purchase.
Ella Reens.
Saturday sees more exciting rugby action on Top Sport. We'll be crossing live at 3:30 on TV1 for the Currie Cup clash between Natal and Western Province. That evening on the Spare Channel from around 9, the second test between Argentina and England will be broadcast. This game will be repeated next Monday from 9 on TV1.
Definitely Stevens' fight up to this stage. He's clearly won the first 2 rounds.
Derde ronde wat de aanvang neem hier voor ons. Derde van 12.
To me, he seems to have regained his composure. He's, after that first round, a very bad round for him. He was clearly shaken and battered in the corner, in the neutral corner. He seems to have got back into the fight. Very strong boy. He's got the stamina. He can stay there all the way.
Gumede wat op die oomblik baie meer gebruik maak van sy reguit linker. Maar dan is dit Stevens wat elke nou en dan met daardie reguit regter van hom op vanuit die hotklou posisiepunte aanteken. Gumede wat miskien so 'n bietjie meer vorentoe kom as Stevens. Stevens meer staties op die oomblik.
Gumede trying to spar to find the opening, and he's clearly battling against that good left from Stevens.
Hy is stekende linker gewees, die kop het geruk van Gumede, hy het in hom vasgeloop.
Much sharper Stevens tonight than we saw in the first fight. He started faster, as he said he was going to do. He knows it's his last chance to get back into the big time, so he's got to go all out, right from the first bout.
Stevens wat nou 2 keer vorentoe beweeg het en met kombinasiehoue probeer slaan het, maar nie baie suksesvol nie. Kom hy met 'n geweldige linker weer vorendag. Hy het sy hele gewig agter daardie hou gehad. En nog 'n kort linkertjie. Gumede self wat met 'n teenaanval gekom het.
Gumede's very tentative tonight. Doesn't seem to have the answer to Stevens, the southpaw stance. And he's not scoring with those two-hand combinations like he normally does. It's all Stevens, making the heavier scoring coming to Stevens. The lighter punches, scoring with heavy punches tonight.
Gumede is 'n tydsberekening wat homself so 'n bietjie in die steek laat op die oomblik. Asof Stevens meer in beheer is van die houe wat hy plant. Wanneer hy plant, dan tref hulle en hy beweeg goed weg uit die pad van Gumede. Die regter was teen die handskoen vas.
At this stage of the fight, one gets the impression that Stevens is a champion, not Gumede. Gumede's not asserting himself. Gumede's got to command the centre of the ring to assert himself. He's the champion, he must command the centre of the ring and show Stevens who's boss.
Blue Stratos, the feeling of freedom.
Moenie 'n kans waag as dit kom by veiligheid, gerief en beheer.
Verseker, als loop beter met Armstrong.
Vervang met Armstrong vandag.
Niks misgeloop nie, net betyds vir die begin van die volgende ronde, maar net so vinnig 'n bietjie aksie van die vorige ronde.
Terrific left coming in from the southpaw, Stevens there, scoring to the button again, as he's been doing right throughout the fight from the first round. We're back into the action here in the fourth round. And it's all action here at the Nasrec Arena. This is more like Abram Gumede coming in with a two-fisted attack.
Het lijkt of Gumede besluit het om nu met een geweldige aanslag te komen vroeg in die vierde ronde.
This is more like a Gumede we know, taking the fight to his opponent with a two-fisted barrage, coming forward, throwing lefts and rights.
Reguit rechters wat die pad oopgemaak het af vir die linker van Stevens. Hy was mis van Gumede op die oomblik.
Ladden Stevens, the longest serving professional in South Africa, been a professional for 11 years. Showing all his experience against his young opponent, who's only been in the ring since 1987.
Weer een goede combinatie geweest van Stevens. Scheidsrechter wat praat oor die kopstamperij. Meneer Christodoulou, baie ervaren natuurlijk.
More determined Gumede, looks like he wants to get into the fight because he's lost the first 3 rounds, he's let them slip. It's been all Stevens scoring with his good combination left and right. This is more like a Gumede we know. Coming forward, getting into the action.
Gumede wat baie naby aan Stevens beweeg. Stevens wat van die touwe af weg beweeg, terselfdertyd.
It's been an excellent fight so far, 3 rounds. Both men throwing punches. Gumede's timing is not there. He's just not getting those punches in. He's not scoring with that right like we've normally seen him do.
Ja, hy het die linker ontwyk daar wat Ladden Stevens na hom toe gemik het, maar sy opvolgwerk is nie so vinnig soos wat 'n mens sal wil hê nie, en wanneer hy die slag naby genoeg kom, is die tydsberekening vir hom 'n probleem. Hy tref na die lyf, maar Ladden Stevens tref met die linker teen die kop.
He's got to pick up his work rate to get into this fight. He's letting the rounds slip away. And these are the early rounds that count at the end. Abram Gumede having his first defensive title that he won from Ladden Stevens, making very heavy weather of this fight. 2 tremendous shots coming there from Abram Gumede. Good shots coming in.
Einde van die ronde.
Steven laat my rarig lag. Nou die dag sê hy vir my, "Ai Susan, koop vir my 'n bietjie van daai organiese skeurhom asseblief." Maar ek oudtydse meisie. En toe koop ek die. Dit lyk oudtyds. 'n 50-jarige formule vir 'n pynlose skeer. Prep Skeerhom berei jou vel voor vir die volmaakte skeer. Steven hou van oudtydse goed.
All the sweat, all the tears, it all comes down to this. Breathtaking, record-breaking, memory-making. The 1990 Goodwill Games in Seattle.
Terug by ons hier by Nasrec. En ek dink Solly Celebe het gesê wat hy moes sê begin van die 5de ronde.
Gumede's really got to get back into the fight, to start scoring points, start winning rounds, because he's clearly behind at this stage of the fight on my scorecard.
Daar's weer 'n linker wat tref van Ladden Stevens. Die tempo aan die begin van hierdie 5de ronde nie so vinnig soos tydens die 3de en die 4de ronde se begin nie. Dring hy weer deur en so hou wat vir Gumede laat styr in die eerste ronde. Hierdie was miskien 'n bietjie hoër op die borsklas gewees.
Surprisingly enough, after a fast start, Ladden Stevens is maintaining the pace. Just a bit worried that it might be a bit too fast to start. We wait until the last 9, 10, 11, 12 rounds. Those are the rounds that count.
Goeie ouwe na die lyf toe gewees, kort linker teen die kop, maar Gumede wat ook tref met die regter na die kop toe. Stevens wat retireer wanneer Gumede vorentoe kom. En nou bly hy staan en hy slaan hou vir hou terug.
A determined fighter is Abum Gumede. He won't give in. He'll keep coming forward, throwing those bombs. He's determined to retain his title.
Larry Stevens wat wag laat Gumede naby genoeg is. Dan na die kop toe, na die lyf toe. Gumede wat nie veel houe slaan wat tref nie.
But Gumede is commanding the centre of the ring. He's determined now to get in and score with those combinations. You can see the determination on his face. He wants to get in there and throw that dangerous overhand right of his. But one must remember that Gumede's only had 14 professional fights against a man who's been in there for 11 years with 50 fights. And he's holding his own.
Ja, wat bloed aan die neus van Gumede.
It's not surprising his nose is bleeding. He's been taking those left-hand, southpaw lefts from Aladdin Stevens all night, right from the first round.
Aladdin Stevens wat daar getref is met 'n goeie linker, hy het self ook getref met 'n linker daarna.
But you can see the determination on Gumede's face. He wants to get in there. He won't give up very easily. His title means a lot to him.
En nog 'n ronde is verby.
A rather even round. It's very difficult to give that round to one other boxer.
Jy moet soveel wik en weeg as jy wil belê. Daar is waghalsige planne. Veilige, maar flou groei. Geld wat vassit. En inflasie. 'n gewigtige besluit. Oorweeg nou Sanlam Effekte Trusts, want dan het jy Sanlam se skitterprestasies aan jou kant. En jou opbrengste is nie net stewig nie, maar verstommend. Vra jou Sanlam raadgewer of makelaar uit oor ons jongste resultate. Sanlam Effekte Trusts, waar jou winste die swaarste weeg.
Hy is weer saam met ons. En dis die begin van die 6de ronde.
Very interesting fight we've seen here tonight. Abum Gumede coming back into the fight in his last 2 rounds. Still not commanding the fight as he did previous time, but he's up against a very cagey opponent in Aladdin Stevens.
Die afrigters aan albei kante, Selebe en Steyn, wat saak 'n fyn dop hou soos ek hulle sien hier van waar ons sit, maar Andri Steyn wat so half van 'n tevrede kykie in sy gesig het.
Abum Gumede has only been a professional since September '87, so he's only had a little close on 3 years in the professional ring against the 11 years from Aladdin Stevens. Aladdin Stevens not showing his age. He's looking very fit and moving very well for a man of his experience and of his age.
Had hy deurgedring Gumede met die regter. Nog 'n regter.
Don't underestimate Abum Gumede. He's very dangerous.
Albei boksers wat met goeie kombinasies tref. Staan doodstil vir mekaar en wag.
Aladdin Stevens very good in the counter, waiting for Gumede to lead and then countering with that left hand of his. Scoring to the body too and to the head. And straight in the button as he's been doing right through from the first round.
Dis reguit regter teen reguit linker op die oomblik. Steen die handskoen vasgewees. Stevens wat nog steeds gebruik maak van die ouwe naar die lyf toe, elke nou en dan.
But every now and again, Gumedi's getting in with a sneak right there, which is dangerous. Those are the punches that can slow Stevens down. Good shots coming in from Gumedi.
Stevens had getreffend met een kort linker net toe Gumedi inkom. De rechter druk ook deur. Nog een linker van Stevens. Maar die kop laat druk. Gumedi wat nu nader beweegt. Rechter naar die lijf toe. Getreft. Einde van die ronde.
Really good round that. Plenty of action.
Come on, Summer. Come on, Summer. Come on, Summer. Come on, Summer. Come on, Summer, come on. Come on, Summer, come on.
It's not long now to full-colour cricket. Benson and Hedges series. Come on, Summer.
Andries Steyn.
Coming to round number 7 here, it's a very calm and relaxed Aladdin Stevens. He looks very well conditioned tonight. Standing in his corner there, you could see he wasn't even breathing hard. The man has gone 6 very hard rounds against a young challenger, a young champion.
Aladdin Stevens wat nie sit gedurende die 1 minuut ruskans tussen die rondes nie. Hy bly staan. Hy het 'n regter gekry daar van Gumedi. So 'n bietjie laat dink het.
Gumedi's got to pick up the pace now. He's letting his rounds slip away. He's got to get into the fight and win a few rounds. He's got to win the next 3 or 4 rounds to get right back into the fight. But he's letting it slip away. He's not throwing enough punches. He's not scoring points.
Dis 'n regs-links kombinasie wat Gumedi goed getref het. Gumedi ewe skielik 'n bietjie stiller hier reg voor as hy die lyf hou na die maag toe. Gumedi wat besef hy moet hier wegkom. Kry nog 'n linker.
Aladdin Stevens looking very sharp tonight. It's the best I've seen him look for a long time. He's scoring with good punches. His timing's good. Gumedi seems a bit sluggish.
Stevens wat definitief met 'n paar baie goeie houe getref het die afgelope 45 sekondes.
Dion, I'm very surprised. Aladdin Stevens hasn't got the... He's scoring with that left hand and Gumedi doesn't seem to have a counter to it.
Gumedi gewaarsku vir daai bietjie laag slaan toe hy gebukken was. Tref skrams met die regter, Gumedi. En die hande van Gumedi is 'n bietjie laag. En hy ontvang hierdie houe van Stevens. Daar was die linker weer gewees.
Stevens is scoring with that southpaw left of his all out. There he comes in again. Tremendous left hand.
Baie goeie ronde nou deur Aladdin Stevens, die voormalige kampioen.
Stevens using the right tactics, letting Gumedi come forward and countering as he comes in, scoring with that right and then the left.
Gumedi wat probleme ondervind so effens met die tydsberekening. Hy's deurentyd besig om vorentoe te kom, maar die houe tref nie altyd nie. En dit is wanneer Stevens dan met die teenhoue kom en punte insamel.
It's been all Stevens this round. All the point scorings come from Aladdin Stevens. A very sluggish champion here tonight.
Come and join us on a savings drive.
Come and join us at Pick n Pay hypermarkets and save on this AIM 51cm color TV. Now only 899 Rand with 6 channel settings and a 2-year guarantee.
One-stop shopping.
Non-stop savings.
Join our savings drive.
Terug by ons Maastricht Sentrum, eerste geveg wat hier plaasvind in hierdie binneshuise stadion.
You see Gumede pushing out attempt to let the nuts go. There comes that southpaw left again of Stevens. He's been using all night and scoring with it to the jaw. Very interesting stage of the fight to go into the 8th round, and it looks as though Aladdin Stevens is clearly in the lead at this stage. But you can never tell in boxing, anything can happen. Still 4, 5 very hard rounds to go. And these are the rounds that count.
Lekker waar ewe skielik so 'n bietjie meer lewe is in Abraham Gumede na die minuut ruskans. Maar Stevens baie cool en kalm. Hy rustig in sy benadering. Wag vir die regte oomblik voordat hy slaap.
I was speaking to Andre Stein and Aladdin Stevens before the fight, and they reckon they've never prepared so hard in many a year for this fight. Very determined to do well in the fight tonight and to regain his title.
Stevens wat slim daarin slaag om uit die moeilikheid uit te bly. Elke nou en dan is hy net te ver soos nou daar van Gumede om te tref. En net sodra Gumede 'n poging aanwend, dan slaan hy met die teenoor. Daar's nou twee reguit regters gewees.
Aladdin Stevens is used to title fights. This is his 13th title fight he's taking part in tonight. So fighting for a South African title is nothing new to him. It's only the second time that Abraham Gumede's fought the South African title. So this is something new to him.
Daar's baie bloed in die mond en neus van die kampioen Gumede.
I'm rather surprised with Gumede's tactics tonight. He's not going into the body with his normal 200 tactics. He's got to take the fight to Aladdin Stevens. Take the play away from Aladdin Stevens.
Abraham Gumede nou soos 'n verwoede bil vorentoe derentyd. En hy tref met die regter teen die lyf. Hy wil 'n swaai het nie naby gekom van Stevens nie. Dan kom hy weer maar na die linker.
It's surprising. There's no power in Gumede tonight. I can't understand it.
Ons sien baie min dat die skeieregter nodig het om die boksers uitmekaar uit te maak. En daar was 'n goeie kombinasie regs links en hy het gesteier. Gumede het gesteier, hy's bietjie verdwaas.
Well, all the firepower's coming from Aladdin Stevens tonight. The man who's supposed to be the man who can't punch.
Aladdin Stevens wat miskien nie heeltemal nou die goeie opvolgwerk doen wat mense sou verwag nie.
Here's a knockout video from Top Sport. It's Top Rank's greatest knockouts, a combination of the most spectacular, you guessed it, knockouts in the history of Top Rank, America's leading boxing promoters. Watch the world's best in action, among them Marvin Hagler, Roberto Duran and Thomas Hearns, as they display the punches that have made them world champions. Top Rank's greatest knockouts, now available from selected supermarkets and hyperstores, or call Top Sport Marketing, Johannesburg 714-8080.
Now we're back at the Nasdaq. Let's have a look at this. Maybe we'll see that tremendous left coming in from Aladdin Stevens. Scoring with the left. There he goes. It absolutely shook him right down to his toes. Rather surprising tonight. Aladdin Stevens has been scoring with that left hand right throughout the fight and really shaking Gumede, the champion.
Begin van ronde nommer 9. 9, 10, 11 en 12 bly oor. Is net 4. En Gumede wat daar goed tref. Hy begin weer baie vinnig want hy besef hy sal met 'n baie goeie poging nou voor 'n dag moet kom.
Are we going to see the real champion, Yana? Is Gumede going to come back firing on all cylinders to try and pull the fight out of the fire? Because he's clearly behind at this stage of the fight.
Stevens wat om elke nou en dan na die lyf toe gaan. Na die eerste ronde was dit Gumede wat die probleme gekry het na die lyfhou. Vanaf met gereelde tussenposes was dit Stevens wat na die lyf toe geslaan het.
Aubrun Gumede, a proud young man. He won't give up his title very easily. He's going to be fighting there all the way, right until the last gong. He's going to be throwing bombs to try and claw his way to retain his title.
Weer twee van Stevens naar die lyf toe gewees. Tempo het weer afgeneem. Stadiger nou as aan die begin van hierdie ronde.
But that's understandable. These both boys have been going hammer and tongs right from the first gong. They've been throwing punches. There's no need to have a referee in here. Comes a tremendous left again from Aladdin Stevens.
Twee regters van Aladdin Stevens, as daar weer druk is van Gumede se kant af, hy kom die hele tyd vorentoe. Hy het getref daar met 'n regter. Nee, hy hou het nie een getref nie.
I can't work out Gumede. He seems stale. He's got no timing in his punch. He's got no power. This is not the Gumede we saw in the last fight against Stevens.
Tijdsberekening nog steeds 'n bietjie van 'n probleem vir die kampioen. Stevens wat daar bly, want hy hou die vlieg om sy kop en hy konsentreer op die lyf.
Aladdin Stevens fighting the fight of his life here tonight. Surprising all. Nobody expected Aladdin Stevens to take a fight to the champion like this tonight.
Twee geweldige linkers wat die kampioen nou weer getref het. Maar hy verdier daai houe en hy het al 'n paar van hulle verdier.
Are we going to see an upset here tonight?
It's been said that gymnasts are the royalty of international sport. Now, TopSport brings you the World Gymnastics Championships held in Rotterdam. Join the best gymnasts in the world and witness their astonishing performances as they strive for perfection in the form of the Magic 10. The World Gymnastics Championships, now available from TopSport Marketing. Phone Johannesburg 714-8080 or visit our TV Promark at Television Centre, Auckland Park.
Ja, hierdie geveg begin einde se kant toe staan. Nou nog net 3 rondes wat oorbly en Selewe praat daar.
Keep your damn hands up there. Right, champion? Let's go, Cody. He's ready.
Your hands are too slow. Ding, ding, ding.
He's
That's
ready.
what I want. Ding, ding, ding.
Break from his right side and give him a four.
You could hear Salih Selewe telling Aubrun Gumede his hands are too slow to pick up his work rate and to get on with it. He's got to get into the fight now. He's really got to get in these last 2 rounds and take a fight to the challenger. Bit of a low blow there coming in from the champion. Not his usual speed, the champion. His work rate has dropped.
Aladdin Stevens het baie slim te werk gegaan deur die houe te ontduik, weg te beweeg. En die bloed aan die gesig van die kampioen Gumede vertel 'n verhaal, want hy het vanaand al deurgeloop onder baie goeie linkers van Stevens. Lyk nie of die krag heeltemal daar is in die houe van Gumede nie. Sy tydsberekening die laat hom so 'n bietjie in die steek. Daar's 'n kopstamp.
Are we going to see Aubrun Gumede lose his unbeaten record tonight. He's going to have to pull something out of the fire. Because Aladdin Stevens has beaten him to the punch all the time. He looks the younger man of the two at this stage of the fight.
Is haar titelgeveg hierdie. Liggewig afdeling. Dis die 10de ronde, daar bly net 2 oor. En sake lyk nie te rooskleurig vir die kampioen op die oomblik. Abraham Gumede nie. Aladdin Stevens wat met 'n berekende aanslag hier gekom het vanaand, is weer goeie kombinasies van hom op kort afstand.
Aladdin Stevens fighting the perfect fight, waiting his chance, countering, but don't discount the champion. He's still got plenty of firepower in that right hand. He's going to be fighting all the way to retain his title.
Hy linker van Aladdin Stevens is die ding wat hierdie skade aangerig het. Dit was nou weer so. Hy het hom opgevolg met 'n regter en toe weer 'n linker. En Gumede is teen die toue en hy het moeilikheid. Hy kom terug, maar Aladdin Stevens wat hom tref met alles wat hy het.
Gumede's got guts. He's biting down deep to stay in there. He won't go down very easily. He's a gutsy fighter. Taking a battering. And there it comes. That's the end of the fight. A tremendous win here for Aladdin Stevens.
Ja, die handdoek is in die kruit. Die handdoek is in die kruit. Hy het gekom na van Abraham Gumede se kant af. Aladdin Stevens verstel van vreugde. Andri Steyn by hom. En in die 10de ronde wil hy met 'n tegniese uitklap hou. 'n groot prestasie. Die onoorwonne rekord van die kampioen is daarmee heen. En die handdoek word ingegooi deur die helpers van Gumede. Ek dink 'n wyse besluit in daai stadium.
Absolute. A brilliant fight here by Aladdin Stevens. And now we're going to see the end. Aladdin Stevens pouring on the pressure, throwing in those rights that he's been scoring with all night. He softened up Gumede right in the first rounds. There comes a terrific left and a right in again, and the left coming in. Tremendous shots. The young champion couldn't take those blows. A turn up for the book shot tonight. Aladdin Stevens regaining his title for the 3rd time. At the age of 31, coming back to regain the title. A great win.
En Dr. Joe Javu wat die gordel wil omsit as ons weer kyk na aksie.
And there we come. This looks like the end. Aladdin Stevens pouring on the pressure. The referee doesn't know that the towel has been thrown into the stage. He's trying to get in between the two fighters. Tremendous win here for Aladdin Stevens against all the odds. He has absolutely pulverized the champion here in the 10th round.
Stan Christodoulou wat daar toe hy met sy rug omdraai sien dat die handdoek ingegooi was. Hy was besig om ten volle te bepaal by die geveg soos wat dit hoort. Andri Steyn te vinnig in die kruit gewees, maar hy het natuurlik gesien dat die handdoek inkom. En vandaar die bietjie van 'n misverstand, maar hier is die old buck gordel.
And once again, Aladdin Stevens the holder of the old buck belt. The 3rd time he's become champion.
En ek dink Mike Siegel promosie saam met Ella Reens vanaand baie tevrede met die gevegte wat hier plaasgevind het tot dusver. En met die nuwe kampioen wat hier gekroon gaan word in die hoofgeveg van die aand.
Aladdin Stevens, his 13th title fight, his 13th South African title fight. Maybe it was 13th time lucky for Aladdin Stevens. A great win for Aladdin Stevens. His 51st professional fight.
Ja, daar is weer 'n bietjie aksie en hy het geweldig hard getref. Aladdin Stevens, terwyl die aankondigings in die agtergrond gedoen word. Dit is waar hierdie geveg geëindig het. Die links-regs kombinasies was een te veel geweest. Die gordel word omgesit. En hy het daar die titel verloor in Oktober verlede jaar. Hy herower hom vanaand hier in die Binnenshuise Stadion by Nasrek. En Aladdin Stevens en Andri Steyn se gesigte spreek van absolute vreugde. Dit was dan die hoofgeveg van die aand gewees. Aladdin Stevens, die kampioen. Abraham Gumede se onoorwonne rekord is daarmee heen. En 'n uitstekende vertoning van wetenskaplike boks deur Stevens. Ons groet vir die oomblik en terug na die ateljee in Johannesburg.
Ja nee, 'n baie goeie oorwinning daar vir Larry Stevens en ek dink Komedie was miskien nie heeltemal so fiks nie voorberei vir die geveg nie. Mens sien dit baie deesdae by boksers wat kampioen word, maar 'n baie goeie geveg vir Stevens.
Well, I thought in that interview before the fight, he gave the impression of being very, very overconfident. But if you go back to the first round, Aladdin Stevens caught him with a beautiful left. He walked straight into it. He was wide open, and he took a tremendous punch. And I don't think he was really in the fight after that, because he was very groggy. It took a long time to recover. And the champion looked very inhibited. He wasn't loose, not free at all.
Styf in die skouers en ek wonder wat gaan Saterdag gebeur. Gaan dit deploy of koetser wees?
Well, I don't think that's going to be a fight, do you, really? Anyway, that